Hey everybody, I just wanted to teach you how you can change the name of your course in Schoology. So it's very easy to do. All you do is you go up to your courses where all of your courses will show. And so if I wanted to change the name of my class, right now it currently says kindergarten. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the right hand side of my screen and click on my courses. From there I can look for the course that I want to change the name of, and I'm going to look for this gear settings sign right here, and I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to do edit. So over here I can come up to the course name and I can make it whatever I want. So for example, if I wanted it to say Miss Kissel's kindergarten class, I can change the name of it, click save, and now when I go up to my courses, the name of my class has been changed. Something else that I wanted to teach you is I wanted to teach you how to add an image into a post without having to upload the file the old way. There's a, instead of making all of your pictures look like thumbnails, there's a way now to post an image directly into a post. So there's a couple of steps that you need to do. First, you need to find the image that you want to use. So let's say I wanted to post this directly into a class post for my class. So I would copy the image, and the new step that you're going to have to do is you're going to need to go into a Google Doc and actually paste it into a Google Doc. From there, you're going to copy it from that Google Doc, and then when you go back into your post, you'll just be able to, put the picture right directly into the post rather than having it look like a thumbnail. So when I post it, it's going to look just like this instead of just like a smaller picture of it. So hopefully those are a couple tips that'll help you with your Schoology course. Thank you.